Hey guys, very good morning and welcome to my channel Prodbug. And in the last chapter, we have seen that how we have used the TTS model, that is text to speech model, where you give your text and you can generate a MP3 file with some AI voice, right? And in this particular chapter, we are going to study another one, which is Whisper, which is mentioned here. So Whisper is just a opposite of TTS. So basically in TTS we are converting from text to speech, and in Whisper we are going to reverse it like from speech to text. Basically we will pass on one MP3 file to the AI, and AI will listen it and convert it into the English. Okay, so basically from MP3 to text. Okay, so vice versa. So let's quickly see the code. It will be part of the Whisper, a model that can convert audio into text, right? So it's a very simple code. So basically only this much. This is absolutely same. Like you import the path lib, import path and OpenAI from the OpenAI. Okay, so you created a object here, and see, this is the path of your folder where the this class is present, and here we have passed the path of the file abcmp3. If you remember, like in the text to speech in the previous code, what I have shown you, like we have generated a shimmer voice and we have given the text here, okay, and one mp3 has been generated, right? So abc.mp3 and .wav, these two files we have generated in the previous code. Now what we are going to do, we are going to read the exactly the same mp3 file. So I have given the path abc.mp3. Okay, so this will represent the path till this folder. Okay, and this is path of this particular mp3. So now this is a speech file path. Okay, so now I have created a main method and I'm calling this main from this one, from here. So what I have written here is like client.audio.transcription.create. Okay, let's see what we have here. When we are generating, it is client.audio speech with streaming response. Okay, so a bit different. So audio speech, so in the previous case it's a speech, and now here we are using the transcription. Okay, so this functionality of Whisper is called transcription. So transcription is from reading a mp3 file and converting into a text. Okay, so this feature we are already using in our day-to-day life, like the Google Translator. Okay, because whenever you are speaking something, Google can detect and create a text. Okay, and if you are from the vision from the camera, you read some text and it will convert in your own language. Okay, so basically all these things are we are already using from the mobile app, which is called Google Translator. Okay, so we will see that thing from the code perspective. Okay, so that will be a really fun. Here the model name is Whisper 1. In the previous case, you remember the what's the model name? Do you remember? It's TTS1, text to speech, but now the model name is Whisper. Okay, so Whisper is basically a transcription style model which will convert from MP3 to text, right? So here we have given the path of this file. So now we have given the file as abc.mp3. AI will read this model. Whisper 1 will read this MP3 and will give us the whatever present in this mp3 file. Okay, let's see what will be the output. Okay, so before the output I will show you, you remember what we have converted. This is the mp3 file which we generated. Hey friends, I am here to stay, what about you? So let's learn something about AI on Prodbug with Sheetal, right? This is the text which we have converted into mp3. So now this mp3 is containing this text. Now we are doing the reverse. I hope you guys are clear what I am trying to understand you. So let's vice versa. So this is the speech file abc.mp3. Now let's see what the text inside this mp3 file. I'm running this code. See, reading audio to text. So AI is able to read this abc.mp3. Hey friends, I am here to stay. What about you? So let's learn something about AI on Prodbug. So this is exactly the same sentence which we have in the previous chapter we have seen. Okay, so see, there is only one slight difference. Can you see? If not, I will. show you here. Okay, let's compare what we have generated in MP3. So see, I am here to about see question mark has been added by the AI. Okay, based on the audio, and rest everything is see capital S, and so almost same. So yeah, so from the MP3, AI is able to fetch each and everything absolutely fine, and it's much better because see, I have written here ellipsis dot dot dot, right? But when you're reading, so question mark is the exactly the correct thing which should come here, right? Because it's a question. Okay, so question mark should come. So AI fix this. uh, S become capital. Let's apostrophe has been added, which is the correct one. Something new about AI, and rest of the thing is absolutely same, right? So you have seen how using different model. So with the TTS, so I hope this is very much clear to you guys. With the TTS model, you can give your own text and you can generate an MP3 file. And with the Whisper model, you can pass on an MP3 file and you can generate a text out of that. So we have seen both the things, TTS and the Whisper. So I hope this is see very very small code, and just in few lines you can use the AI via the code. So I hope you guys are liking all this kind of videos, and you are really very much interested in learning AI. And in similar fashion, we are going to see few more things, okay, in the upcoming chapter. So I'm really very excited to teach you guys all this new concepts of AI, because I'm actually I try to find the coding part of the AI on the internet, but I am not able to find any videos on the Udemy or YouTube where I can actually practice AI, because a lot of videos are showing all these things about a lot of knowledge about what is Whisper, what is this, and all these things. But as a automation guy, how we can use AI in our day-to-day life, right? How we can get advantage, okay, about the future projects which may come in near future, right? So this series going to exactly focus on that particular part, the coding part mainly, okay. And along the side we will learn some concept also, because without learning the concept it's impossible to learn the code, right? So you should have some idea about the concepts, and then we can see how those concepts can be used in from the code perspective. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any problem, so just let me know, right? So see you in the next chapter. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.